Leeds International School, Primary 3, Second Term, Mathematics, Chapter 9, Fractions. Let's see what are the learning outcomes of this lesson. Name the numerator and denominator of a fraction. Find equivalent fractions. Write a fraction in its simplest form. Compare and order fractions. Our next topic is numerator and denominator. We looking at the fraction, the numerator is the top part of that fraction. On the other hand, the denominator is the bottom part of the fraction. So, if we are looking at the fraction a over b, now this is confusing. Here's the trick how to remember. Numerator start with n and it goes north part of the fraction. On the other hand, denominator start with d, it goes on the downside of the fraction. So, we looking at the fraction half. 1 is only north side, its numerator, and 2 is on downside, it's the denominator. We have learned to read and write fractions. Look at the figure shown. It is divided into 5 equal parts. Since one part is colored blue, we say that 1 over 5 of the figure is blue. Now we are going to find numerator and denominator of each pizza. First one, 7 over 8. In this fraction, 7 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Look at the second one, 2 over 8. What is the numerator of this fraction? Yes, 2 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Look at the third one, 3 over 8. In this fraction, 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Fourth one, 6 over 8. Numerator is 6 and denominator is 8. Let's learn about equivalent fractions. Here you can see there are 3 rectangles. Look at the first one. We divided this into 2 equal parts and select one part. So the fraction will be 1 over 2. We select one part out of 2 parts. Look at the second rectangle. This rectangle divided into 4 equal parts. And we are going to select 2 parts. So the fraction will be 2 over 4. We select 2 parts out of 4 parts. Look at the last one. We divided this rectangle into 8 equal parts and select 4 parts. So the fraction will be 4 over 8. We select 4 parts out of 8 parts. We can see that the parts that were shaded are the same length. So the fractions 1 over 2, 2 over 4 and 4 over 8 are equal. We call them equivalent fractions. Look at their numerators. Are the numerators same? No. What about the denominators? Are they same? No. So, equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerators and denominators. but have the same value. If we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number of value of fraction doesn't change. Look at the first one. 1/2. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator in same number. So we multiply this fraction by 2. Then what is the answer? 2/4. Next one. 2/4 multiplying by 4. Then answer is 4/8. Next one. 1/2 multiplying by 3. Then what is the answer? 3/6. In a fraction, the denominator represents total of equal parts while the numerator represents number of equal parts taken out. Find the equivalent fraction. You can do this activity as your homework. Let us examine the fractions shown. We can find equivalent fractions from the diagram. From the diagram, the fractions 1/1, 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, 5/5, 6/6, 7/7, 8/8, 9/9, 10/10, 11/11, 12/12 are of the same length as a whole. So, they are equivalent fractions. We can also see that 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10 and 6/12 are equivalent fractions. To find equivalent fractions, we can also divide the numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number. Look at the first example. 2/4. In this fraction, we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 2. Then what is the answer? 1/2. Look at the second one. 4/8. We divide this numerator and denominator by 4. Then answer is 1/2. Last one. 3/6. We have to divide this fraction by 3. Then answer is 1/2. Let's learn about fractions with common numerator. 3/8 and 3/6 have the same numerator. That means the same number of shaded parts. We called it a common numerator. In the diagram, we can see that 3/8 is greater than 3/6. Then what is the answer? 3/6 is greater than 3/8. Our next topic is fractions with common denominator. The fractions 3/4 and 2/4 have the same denominator. That means same number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. We called it a common denominator. Then 3/4 is greater than 2/4. Hope you all enjoy this video. Have a good day. Stay safe.